Let's close the eyes, hands in Dhyan Mudra, back straight, relax shoulders. We will chant long Omkars for a minute. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep the eyes closed, join the hands at the back of the body, bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth. Raise both hands up toward the ceiling, push head and trunk further down. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Generate Urja, make them warm. Place the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark. Slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. And we'll start with light exercise. Sukshma Vyayam for lower back and waist. Inhale. Raise both hands up. Stretch the upper body upward. As we exhale, twist the upper body to the one side. Look back, align chin with the shoulder. Keep pushing the knee forward. Feel the stretches, feel the twist. Inhale, back to center. We'll do on to the second side. Exhale. Try to keep trunk vertical, back straight. We are just twisting the upper body. Inhale, back to center. Fully consciously we will do one more time, both the side. You can close the eyes whenever you don't need to look at, so you can feel the body within. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back. Next, extend both hands sideways. Drop right hand down wherever it reach on the floor. Inhale, raise left hand up, stretch the left side even further up. Then exhale, bend sideways towards right. Keep looking up through the left bicep. Keep pushing the left hand down. Inhale, slowly come back to center. Same way to the second side. Stretch right side up. Exhale, bend towards left. Keep looking up through right bicep. Inhale, back to center. We will do one more time. So the right palm and right elbow, we will press into the floor while we keep looking up. And make sure both knees stays on the floor for the better curvature. Then inhale, back to center, to the second side. Come back and slowly we'll stand up. Separate feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Interlock the fingers, stretch both hands up, palms towards ceiling. Dip inhale. As we dip exhale, bend sideways while keep looking up. Elbows straight, knees straight. Inhale, back to center, exhale to the second side, come back, we'll do one more time, Tiryak Tadasana, swaying palm tree pose. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back and separate the feet at the farthest that our body can allow. Extend both hands sideways. Dip inhale into star position. Dip exhale. We will do twisted triangle. Grab the big toe with opposite side hand. Other hand will go 90 degree up. Look up into the ceiling through the palm. Inhale. Back to center. Back to star position. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, come back. Do not jerk the body. Do the smooth transition between sides. One more time. Come back and complete onto the second side. Come back and bring both hands at the lower back, thumbs on a sacrum. Dip inhale as we arch backward. Look into the back wall. We can push thumbs in, feel the compression at the lumbar area, extension at the abdomen area. Exhale, come back, straighten the trunk. Inhale again. Exhale, bend forward and down. Try to bend from the lower back. Use little bit force, push head and trunk as low as possible. Inhale, come back up and move in front of the mat, a little bit away from the front edge. Start the music, mantra. Let's follow the beats. Roll the shoulders back and down and begin.
मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भान सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः
Good morning. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. So let's check up the whole body. Legs, feet, thighs, hands. To increase more activities within the body, more heartbeat, more pulse, more blood circulation, more breathing rate. Add some twisting, some yogic jogging, whichever way you like. And lay down in Shavasana. Complete relax, full rest. Close the eyes. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out for a few times. Then let the breath become completely normal, natural. Let all the body parts, muscles, joints be on their own on the gravity. Feel the body weight and be aware how our body weight transfer to the floor. And let's scan the body internally to see how we feel within. Moving the awareness body part by body part from head to toes, and then toes to the head. At each part, try to acknowledge, recognize any kind of sensation, relaxation, heartbeat, pulse, blood circulation, vibration, everything, anything, whatever we feel, for 3 full minutes to make the trip, and time starts now. 10 more seconds to bring the awareness back to the head if you haven't yet. Bring feet together, squeeze and release toes few times and move them side by side. Same time also try to turn the head on both the sides. Then give body a big stretch, Yastikasana, stick pose. Push all the toes together forward, hands in opposite direction. Feel the full stretch, 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 and relax. Bring both hands sideways, palms facing down, elbows straight, fold at the knees. So heels will be at the hips. Deep inhale. As we deep exhale, drop both knees together on the floor towards left. Turn the head towards right. Push the palms into the floor. Feel some good twist, stretches at the spine. Inhale, back to center. Do everything with closed eyes. Exhale, knees on the floor towards right, head towards left. Feel the stretches, feel the twist. Inhale, back to center. Now lift the feet a little bit up. Exhale, drop the folded legs towards left. Turn the head towards right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, folded legs towards right, head towards left for a few seconds. Then bring the entire body towards right. And stay on right. Breathe in and out a couple more times. And with support of the elbows and hands, bring the body into any comfortable sitting posture. Continue with closed eyes. We will do Chandra Nadi Pranayam for a minute. So make a Vishnu Mudra on right hand using the right thumb tip. Press and hold the right nostril. So we will breathe in and out through left only. So deep inhale and deep exhale. And complete the round when we breathe out on left. And bring both hands into Dhyan Mudra. Keep the back straight. Relax shoulders. Deep inhale and we will chant one long Omkar. Feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palms against each other. Apply a little bit extra pressure on palms. Generate more urja. Make them more warm. Place warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark. Let the urja enter into the eyes. Move the bottom of the palms over the eyes. Gently massage the eyelids. Spread the fingers apart and slowly slide the hands down over the face. Open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head, back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, or any problem part within the body to spread the energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Good morning everybody again. Jai Shri Krishna. Wish you a happy new week, new energy. And I'm going to unmute So today we crossed over dozen people. Yep, you all are unmute.
Jai Shri
Thank you, Bakulbhai.
Krishna.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri
Krishna.
Krishna.
Bye
Jai
now.
Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri
Krishna.
Krishna,
Jai Shri Krishna.
Bye. Thank you.
Good to see you, Canary.